Hey, it's Marie-France Garon here. Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. Now, today I am in Gina's kitchen. Yeah, it used to be Pierrette's kitchen when I was growing up. It was my friends from home. But Gina is actually from Montreal, but both her parents are Italian. So we know how to cook. And today we are here at Gina's and Richard's place, and we're gonna eat some tomato pie. Now, this is something I didn't know of, and so Gina, can you explain to us how do we make the tomato pie?
It's very easy. So first, like 2 days before, you slice your tomato.
Yes.
And you put it on a towel.
Okay.
And you put salt.
That takes the moisture out. Yeah. Okay.
The water.
Mm-hmm.
So then you
pat.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the towel, the paper towel.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, do you leave them in the fridge?
Yeah.
You sort of put layers on top of each other.
Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So then 2 days later, I cook my crust like half an hour before.
Okay.
Then I took it out. I take my tomato like half an hour before from the fridge, that they are not too cold.
Oh, yeah.
So we start with the crust is cooked a little bit. In the bottom you put Dijon mustard.
Yeah. Dijon. Just from the jar, Dijon.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you brush it with. Brush it. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's your taste. I put a lot because I like it.
Yeah.
And then you put sharp cheese.
Okay.
Cheddar.
Some cheese, cheddar. Yeah. Okay.
Very sharp.
Okay.
But you can put like Gruyere. Or
Nice strong.
Emmental.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And you put it on the mustard.
Okay.
Then you take your tomato slice, and you
Put it on top.
pull it.
Yeah.
Then I put garlic.
Sliced, minced, or do you put it in the crusher?
Yeah.
Crushed garlic?
Yeah, crushed garlic.
Okay.
You put more if you like it.
Do you put a lot?
I put a lot.
Yeah, we love garlic.
And you put.
And you just put the fresh garlic, just crushed, and then you put some on top of the tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then I put basil. A lot. Again,
That's nice.
No, it
too.
depends on your taste.
Yeah.
And you put a little bit more cheese.
Cheese. The same type of cheese.
Yeah,
Like a cheddar or
the same as the bottom.
Okay.
Just to
garnish. Yeah.
garnish. That's it.
Okay.
And you cook it. You
In
put it
the oven?
in the oven like almost an hour. Low.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the water, the going.
Yeah.
And that's it. And it's very.
Oh, we're gonna try some very soon. This needs to go back in the oven a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna try some.
Yeah. And if you want, just to change, you can put. Sometimes I do that. Greek olives.
Yeah.
Kalamata.
Kalamata. Oppa.
That's very good too.
Oh, wow.
So it's a mix Italian,
Yeah.
Greek. Whatever.
Okay. Nice. Thank you very much. Can't wait to try. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.